GM everyone, this is Devik and we are building Stellar's first Agentic SDK. As you can see, I have started my backend engine and this is the landing page of our website of our Agentic SDK. We also have an NPM package. Which is already being deployed and has its own GitHub repo. So you can look it out in one of the links. Now I'm going to ask this agent that what tools do you have? So by chance we have a few specified tools like swaps, bridging, and we also provided a liquidity pool contract for actions on that liquidity pool. So you can see this is my account and I'm going to ask it to send 10 XLM to my account and the agent performs it in an instant. Now the sense here is that anyone who wants to be a dev on Stellar can directly integrate that package into his code and can execute these actions instead of going through those hundreds of lines of code to get a transaction done on Stellar for a dev. Now let's see what more functions have we added. So we have deployed a custom contract and have added its function also. In the future, what you can do is that you can just create a contract and all the functions which are in the contract will be directly added into the Agentic SDK. So it will be just that simple for anyone to create or build anything on Stellar. Right. So let's see. Currently, I'm going to ask it what's the share ID on which the contract is deployed for the liquidity pool, and it's gonna give. So this is the pool ID of that share. There are two parameters actually for the share ID, and those are your address on which actually deployed the contract. It's this address, and yeah. So here's the share ID. So currently, since the video is only for 2 minutes, that's why I'm going to tell you that in the gist what we are building. We are building a agentic protocol on Stellar such that any dev can use it to create his own agents or his own workflow. And let's say for a consumer, if he wants to execute things on an agent, if he wants to perform transaction or stake in a liquidity pool, or deposit in a liquidity pool, he just needs to get this agent, give his prompt, and everything is done. So we are building a way for devs to create better things on Stellar and for consumers to ease their transactional handling on Stellar. Thank you.